of Nkoro, and now the latest census that has been conducted indicates that you have reduced to about 5,309, and so that means that more than half have returned.
So we're just going into one of the rooms where we're set to see the living condition of the people here. The foreign minister is being given a tour just to see the living condition of some of the people, as you can see. So the minister there getting full briefing on what the status of people are, the living conditions, and what the situation is. And we're bringing all of this to you on the Joy News channel. It's quite dark in here because obviously this is a makeshift facility, so you wouldn't expect that everything will be set, but this is enough shelter to house our people who are in distress. And the message from the Foreign Affairs Minister is that you would have to come back home because this is not the end of it, and he's expecting that over 5,000 of our compatriots will be moving back into the Ghanaian territory. But for now, Nkoro is where we are now, where the foreign minister is seeing firsthand for himself the condition here. He's getting more briefing on what this room holds. But of course, this is just a makeshift structure. And I must also point out that there's also support from some international partners as well. I see the UNHCR here. Obviously, this is a humanitarian crisis, so you'd expect that they would also be here just to, give a sense of what's happening here. So the Honorable Minister is also giving a second tour into the other, facility there, just giving you a sense of possibly the condition in there. This looks like another housing facility, spacious enough at least for one or two people to go in, and so that explains why he's been taken here. He's also receiving more briefing from the DCE, just to indicate to you clearly that there's a little more work to be done. Honorable, it's quite a sad situation here, but you're asking our compatriots to come back home.
Yes,
what's your message to our people?
The message from President Mahama is that they should come back home. They should look at the situation with those who have returned. They are safe. They have not been compelled to run back here. About 8,000 of them have returned, and they are doing well. I was with them earlier. You were with me when we drove through the communities, and they are doing fine. Right. So I've been assuring them that they should not be afraid. They should go back. President Mahama is expecting them to come back home. So we expect the latest census we did, 5,309, still here, and we expect all of them to return. But in the meantime, we'll make sure that those who are staying here receive the care. That's why President Mahama gave me the 6 million safer to donate for support, particularly those who need some medical bills sorted out and who will want to be assisted to go back. And then I've also observed that we need to provide electricity here. Right. I've been told that there is a fee we need to pay to the local authorities, so I've asked the regional minister to quickly get us the invoice so that we can take care of that.
What kept you going? What kept you going? It's been a very long journey for you. What kept you going?
Compassion, love for my people, and a strong determination to duty to serve the people. That's what service is about. It's not always going to be as planned. Sometimes it's going to be very turbulent, it's going to be risky, but you have to keep going for God and country.
Right. Thank you so much. And there you have it, the Foreign Affairs Minister.
And now the latest census that has been conducted indicates that you have reduced to about 5,309, and so that means that more than half have returned. We want to encourage all of you to return. President Mahama, as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, has put in place a number of measures. There's been massive security deployment. Camps have been established. A committee has been set up to mediate between the traditional leaders on all sides, and calm has been restored. So I'm here to deliver a message to you from the president that it is time to go back. Don't be scared. You will meet adequate security. You will be safe. So we encourage you to go back. You will observe that your colleagues who returned home are okay, they are safe, they have not had to rush back here. So that should give you confirmation. If you had any doubt that the situation has been resolved, that should give you confirmation. The almost 8,000 people who have left have not come back in a couple of days now. They are doing very well, they are okay, they are being fully protected. So we want you to go back. The 5,309 here, we think that the time has come for all of you to go back, and we are willing to help you, to assist you, to offer the needed logistical support for you to go back to your homes, because everything has been resolved and it is safe for you now to return. President Mahama wants me to convey that message very clearly to you.
President Mahama abuwana abimwali yana wako wojom aba ndonkuba anamba kase yakase ina sitru kinata ajafa abumpaya anamba naba mbela kuba batila nu don kora na do lija yinifie eta weekend ya abala Liverpool aba wana batana ninga so etele juma baba mwana na baya kentia bambenka security bi a banya afuso de baba de ajiwo jija so fo ya le poro be asla left that let ya akie na we ka weekend ya ndraja ne to no wutina.
And I know what I'm talking about because on my way here I made a stopover in your communities to assess the situation myself, and I can confirm that from what I saw, normalcy has returned and people are going about their everyday activities. I saw some people on the farms, some are cooking in the open, some are washing. So I can attest that everything is safe. Don't be scared to go back. This is the time to go back. We want to assist all of you to go back. We are not happy with this situation. Schools are in session. Our children have to be in school. And we are really concerned that if you stay here, it will affect their academics, it will affect their future. So we want to appeal to you. Everything is okay. Everything is safe. The security have been deployed and they are manning the various communities, and the chiefs have assured us that they have reined in the youth, and we are not going to have any reprisal attacks. So please go back home. We want to encourage all of you, the 5,309 who are left here. Please listen to President Mahama. Trust us. We will protect you. Please go back home. You will be safe.
No yara pompaya we ya kenti ya pompaya kan anta ase kenti ya emra ayile lekul ayin wojom abami na wara ayenye mi ya kenti ya wonyara abal lekul
Okay.
adami emri
Okay.
Yeah.